Chapter 10 Means of Communication. Means of communication enable us to keep us in contact with our families, friends, relatives who are away from us. In ancient times, people used trained birds like pigeons to send their messages, but today we have very fast means of communication. They keep us in touch with the outside world. Let us read about various means of communication in detail. Letters. Until a few years back, letters were the most common means of communication. We can send letters through a post office. There are thousands of post offices throughout India. Parcels and money orders can also be sent through post offices. Very urgent messages could be sent through telegrams, but now this service has been withdrawn. Speed post service is also available in post offices. Letters and parcels sent through speed post reach quickly. Nowadays, many private postal companies offer courier services. Speed post service in India was introduced on August 1, 1986. October 9 is observed as the Post Office Day. Telephone. Consumers of telephones are increasing rapidly as telephones are the fastest means of communication. We can instantly talk to anyone, anywhere in India or abroad through the telephone. Subscriber trunk dialing (STD) and international subscriber dialing (ISD) services enable us to talk to someone in India or in another country respectively. Nowadays, mobile or cellular phones are widely used. They are very handy and can be used anytime at any place. We can also send messages using the short message service SMS through a mobile phone. In fact, mobile phones are the most common means of communication these days. Written or printed messages can be sent through a fax machine. A fax machine is connected with a telephone line. Mass media. Sometimes we need to send messages to a number of people at the same time. It can be done through mass media or means of mass communication. Radio, television and newspapers are called mass media. Radio. Radio was the first wireless means of communication. It gives news, educational and entertainment programs to a large number of people. It is very useful for people who cannot read and write. Radio broadcast in India began in 1927. Television. Television has become the most popular means of communication today. On a television, we can watch any program live taking place in any part of the world. Live programs on television are possible because of satellites. Our government has installed televisions in schools and villages for children and villagers respectively. Newspapers. Newspapers are the cheapest means of communication. They bring news from all over the world at our doorsteps. A large number of newspapers are published in India in several languages. Computer. Computer is the latest and technologically advanced means of communication. It sends and receives messages instantly through email. Today, computers are connected to one another through the internet. Using a search engine, we can get any information on any subject from the internet. Points to remember. Telephone is the fastest means of communication. Television is the most popular means of communication. Newspapers are the cheapest means of communication. Computer is the latest means of communication.